We first reached out to Michigan Drainfield a year after buying our house. We had begun to have some problems with the toilet bubbling when the washer was running. Shortly thereafter, we were starting to have water come back up into our tub and into our shower. So I had some acquaintances that pointed me towards Michigan Drainfield. I had seen some advertisements around town for the company as well, and thought that that would be a great place to start. The team at Michigan Drainfield were quick to come out to our house and diagnose exactly what was going wrong. We opened up our septic tank, found it full of water, and knew that we were having problems with our drain field. Adam and the team walked me through a number of different options that we had, including restoration, which would certainly save thousands over replacing our whole drain field, but he was quick to help me understand what it would cost to replace the drain field as well. Knowing that the restoration had a 5-year guarantee, it only made sense for us to go ahead and try restoring the drain field, and it has worked perfectly. If someone were to come to me and they were having trouble with their septic field or some part of their system, I certainly would recommend Michigan Drainfield. The team was honest, was fast, was thorough, and again walked us through the entire process from front to start, helping us understand exactly what was going on. And so it's been great to work with a company who understands the sensitivity and the problems that we are facing when there is septic coming into your house. And so certainly thankful for a company that was quick and eager to respond to our needs.